Buongiorno a tutti, good day to everyone. Today we work on a chicken. We have this beautiful chicken taken from the market, size 22, it's giant. And today we will gonna open, separate all the parts, and I'll show you how to do a butterfly chicken. It's very simple, you just need to understand what's the anatomy of a chicken. And you need to do specific sorry here we go, specific cuts, how to don't waste it anything. Okay, so we got the wings, the legs. This one got actually a few steel parts inside, but it's fine. The knife, Victorinox, always the best knife for the butchering. So what we do is, first things, we are going to take out the wing, cut, open here, we found where is the joint. Here we go. This we will keep for cooked fried chicken wing stocks. For the stock, they are the best when you do especially a jus. They got a lot of flavor. Or you can cook them. So we found where is the joint here. We don't want to break the joint. Sometimes they got a bit of blood still inside, so chuck's always ready. So the first job is we go here and we want to find where is the wishbones. We want to take it off all this extra fat. That is not the best. We're not going to use it. So here is where there is the wishbones. They are inside here. So we made a little cut. We found with the hand where are them, and we can just do a little cut. We go through with the hand, gentle to don't destroy the meat too much. Here we go. The wishbones is like a V and got the attachment here where there is the main bones. So we found where it is. We separate it. Here we go. We try to don't break it. We keep it well. And here we go, wishbones. Now, what we do, we turn. Here we got all this extra skin that came from the neck. We don't need. Now, what we were gonna do is we wanna first open all the back side, and after we go through here, through the wings, and we go all through to take it off the cage and everything. So the first things, I make like a V-cut here and here, okay? Here there is the bones. Take it off. Take it off. Yeah. Here we arrive that here there are the oyster. They are here. It's very important when you look after the oyster that you don't cut through like this, like so many people do. But you try to go through the bones, behind the bones, so you keep intact. You see, it's inside here. It's like a little piece of meat, very good. That will gonna be after part of the legs. So it's here. It's here. Now it will cut like this, another V, it will go through there here. Now, as soon as you make free the two wishbones, the oyster, here you can allow it to touch with the joint of the legs. We go to broken, here we go, with the assembly from the attachment, that is here. Make our space with our knife, cut off. Here there is the bones. Here we go. We separate the bones. And we go next to the bones in the way that we don't have any wastage. Doesn't matter if the cut now will still keep a bit of fat because we can still trim after. The only very important thing is try to not leave meat attached on the bones, because that after you can take back. Here we go. Here there is some nerves. Here we go. And this part now it's been make it freedom. Here we go. The same. Here, our bones. Look where is the joint. Now, usually this one I do a bit faster, but today I want to show you, so why not? We keep our time. Especially because when you go to consider to buy the chicken at the supermarket or the market, whatever you have close, the whole chicken is always more cheaper than that bought the already the bonnet. And also you have the skins that on the, for example, on the breast is the best things. Here we go. Here we go. So here we got the bones. Now this part is free. Now what we do like this. We broke the rib cage. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The first part is gone. And we have here clean, no wastage. If remaining little part, we can always cut after the bones. Here we go. Now, here there is another two important bones. That is the attachment here for the shoulder. So what we do is we do another cut like this. So we try to don't wastage any meat in the limit of possible. So in this way, we start to find the cage. Where is the actual cage? Here we go. Now we are arrived to the whereas there is the shoulder, and we wanna drop the shoulder and separate from the main attachment of the rib. Here there is a little bit more nerves, so careful, patience. Here we go. See, there is a lot of this little sinew, very tough. We had the assembly from the shoulder. This is the original attachment. Here, you see, it's completely came out clean. That is what we're looking for. Let's look on the other side. Here we go. Here we go. So, yeah, took it off from la sede originale. It's here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And now we have the wing, the shoulder. Now we wanna start to go where is the breast. So we go all through here. Yeah, there's the rib cage. Start from here. Here there is this sort of membrane you wanna cut off. Now we have already taken off the wishbones, so now we can start to separate from here. You can see that the breast you can don't even cut, it will come by himself. You see? I didn't even put the knife, but I just separated. Just here. I'm gonna put my knife. Yeah, I got them. Sometimes they come out just by themselves. Sometimes wanna be a bit nasty. So we go with the knife. Very easily. Here we go. Now let's make it a bit more nice. Here we go. Here we got some pocket that was given from the inside, some blood, we're gonna clean. So what we have here, we have the two chicken breast, chicken fillet, shoulder, and legs.